Discover, discuss, and shape the future of talent and leadership development at the 51st ARTDO International World Conference this August. This conference from 18 to August 20th is held at the scenic town of Da Nang, Vietnam, next to World Heritage Site Hoi An. At this conference, you get the tremendous opportunity to forge robust networks with leaders around the world, create game-changing, unforgettable moments with top global leaders, learn and apply new insights and best practices that transform lives, deep dive into the latest innovative strategies to grow capabilities, and engage in thought-provoking conversations. More than 20 industry captains, experts, and gurus will share their wisdom to unleash the power of human talent over 3 insightful days. They explore cutting-edge ideas and issues including disruptive innovation coaching, creating a high-performance coaching culture, articulate leadership, leading people in the AI era, unleashing talent and skill development, future trends in learning and development, and many more exciting subjects. Together we set the stage to pave the way for a brighter and more inclusive future for all of us. Register to save your place today.